Good morning and welcome to Zen Fits or TikTok Tay-Shows and the exploration today of fascism. Let's look at fascism from a new angle, a new viewpoint. Fascism is a longing for God, but a misplaced God. A God that fascism is a longing for certainty and a longing to be the one to restore the fragmented world, the broken country, the diaspora, the feeling of being an alien. Fascism is a desire to restore the national unity, to restore the people, take them to the promised land. Fascism is Old Testament. And so fascism must have a leader, like the Hebrews had a leader, Moses. Moses united the people, took them out of slavery, took them out of fragmentation where they were nobody, and made them into a people, and then led them to the promised land, you see. So fascism is a national people that is longing to restore the promised land where the people, which is them, my people, are the one. So fascism fundamentally is a division of people into my people, the one people, the true people, the original people, versus those people, the impure people, the aliens, the illegal aliens that are invading us, those people. So if I get rid of those people, those aliens, those illegal aliens, you see, I restore the one. I restore the people. And because my leader is the one, and I follow the one, and I identify with the one, I am the one. So those who were caught up in the cult, a fascist cult, or the cult of the one, you see, are really caught up in a misplaced God. A God complex. An ego that cannot stand being alone and fragmented and floating in the waves of society forms together, you see, magnetized by the one. So all these little waves, this diaspora, these fragmented people, these lost people, are magnetized and fragmented and brought together as the one, you see. And the one feels this power, the power of the one, you see. That was Germany. Germany fell into this and felt the power of the one, the power of the Führer, you see. And so MAGA's the same. Trump is the Führer, the power of the one. And it's like a magnet that draws all the little selves, all the little lost egos, all the little fragmentations, the little pieces of the iron filings. Imagine that we're all iron filings floating on a vast sea, and we've lost our oneness. We lost our certainty. We lost our sense of being the one, you see, the unique. And so this hurricane forms with an I. It starts off as a little breeze, perhaps, and it keeps sucking the fragments in. It keeps sucking the waves in. It keeps sucking all the little breezes into one wind. One wind. The Japanese call it the divine wind. They got caught up in it. You had World War II was America was caught between two winds, the divine wind of the national wind of Hitler and the divine wind of Japan. And these hurricanes were gathering strength. And America was battling both of them. Hitler with one hand, Japan with the other, you see. And so then we became the one. And we're still suffering from that. We became the one. And then we lost it. Because liberalism and the society became fragmented again, and we lost the feeling of the one, you see. So when you have a dear leader who is kind of like an empty eye, he's empty, Trump is empty, but he says, I'm the one. and I can fix everything. So all the little fragments that are feeling very vulnerable, who have lost their sense of certainty and belonging, are attracted to that like magnetic, like iron filings. And as they gather around this empty eye, the wind swirling, you see, it gathers strength and feels stronger. The irony of the fascist one, you see, is that the more you attack it, the stronger it gets. Because it's empty. The hurricane eyes in. Fly into the hurricane eye. Look around, it's sun shining, beautiful day in there. It's empty. It's empty. Ironically, Eastwood, in his speech at the Republican Party when Obama was running, pointed to an empty chair and said, and talked to Obama as an empty chair. So he saw Obama as being a cult leader. So the right, you see, the white right saw Obama as being a threat, a cult leader, a black storm, a black one, you see. And it was intolerable. So Trump came into being by saying, Obama's not the one, I'm the one. Obama is the false one. I'm the correct one. I'm the true one, you see. And so Trump is just basically spent, and they're still doing it, erasing the traces, the footprints, and the tracks of Obama. They're still trying to get rid of Obamacare. That's shutting down the government because they want to get rid of Obamacare. It's to get rid of Obama. The whole cult, every cult, is based on getting rid of the enemy, getting rid of the threat, getting rid of the devil, getting rid of the impurities, cleansing the soul, cleansing the people, getting rid of the aliens, getting rid of the aliens. It's all the same mythology. If you could see the mythology of it, you'd be free of it. But it's particularly difficult if you're caught in a God cult, if you're caught in a God complex like MAGA. It's because God and the mortal, Trump, are confused. The language is God language, but the reality is human. So we can't get them separated. It's like a martini. Once you stir these two together, you can't separate the gin from the vermouth. But you need, and this is what my uncle said, he was a martini priest or addict, always drink your martini with a twist of irony, a lemon twist of irony. You see, there's one thing you can use to recognize a God cult is that they cannot understand irony. Everything is what it is. That's fundamentalism. A dog is a dog and a cat is a cat and black people are black and white are white and everything is as it is, you see. There's no gray area. There's no compromise, you see. There's no creativity. It's all dead things defined and put in a book. Dead. Dead things. A dead world. So this is really a larger, this is a mythological fight we're in right now. It's not just a political party. It's greater than that. It's greater than that. Thanks for dropping in.